For those needing to edit assets linked to an InDesign project, such as photos or text, access is made through the TrueEdit web portal. Let's take a look at the steps for working on those assets. I'm at trueedit.com in my browser, and I'll just click the Login button. I'll enter my username and password. Click Login. And I'm going to choose the Web Content Creator role for this and click Submit. Let's come up to the upper corner here and click on All Jobs so I'll have access to everything. And I want to work on this job here, and I'm just going to expand this choice. And let's go one more time and even one more time because I want to work on the links that are attached to this InDesign file. And I've got a couple of graphics and some text here, and I can tell from the icons that are showing up what those are. And I think I'm just going to play around with this whale tail graphic. So I'll come over to the left here and click on this little menu. That'll bring up a pop-up, and just like at the library, we can come and check this out, and we'll have exclusive use of that. Nobody else will be able to access that. So let me just click on that. And that's going to bring up a download button essentially from the browser, and I'm going to download this graphic to my local computer. And for the purpose of this exercise, we'll just download it to our desktop. Now, your browser may be set up to automatically download to a certain location. As long as you know where that is, that's okay. But I really recommend that you switch over and allow yourself to choose where you're going to download graphics or text to so that you can work on it and easily find it. So I'm just going to go to the desktop. I'll click Save. And my graphic is going to download. I can just access it here because I'm in Chrome. If your browser's a little bit different, you may have to go to the desktop, use Finder, or if you're on Windows, use Windows Explorer or File Explorer. I'm going to just launch it from here. Now on my system, JPEGs automatically launch Photoshop. If you're using a different photo editor, that's fine. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to come over here. I've got this nice graphic, but it's just a little too big for my use here, and I'm just going to crop it down a little bit here, a little bit here, and we'll accept that change. And I'm just going to save the file exactly where it is, and I'll just accept the options. And I can just close Photoshop now. I'm done working. Now I want to check this back in, and I'm just going to come back over here exactly as I checked it out. I'm going to click on this again, only the choice is to check in. So let's just click on that. Now this is going to be a little bit different because we downloaded the file. We have to upload it again, and you can see here I've got working file, no file chosen. Well, I need to choose that file, and this is another reason why it's a good idea to download these files to where you know you'll be able to find them easily. So I'll just say choose file. And of course it's on my desktop, and it's pretty clean here. It's the only file here. I'm going to select it. And for this I get an open button, and we'll click that. And I'll say OK. That file will be uploaded back to the TrueEdit servers and will be available for anyone else to work on. And that link will update when the file is opened in InDesign.